English Idioms Unveiled, Sucker for, Explained. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase that often pops up in movies, songs, and everyday conversations, sucker for. Have you heard it before? Well, if you've ever wondered what it means to be a sucker for something, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the phrase but also be able to use it like a native speaker. So let's get started. Sucker for is a phrase that describes someone who is strongly attracted to a particular type of thing or person, often to the point where they can't resist it, even if they know it might not be good for them. It's like having a weakness for something. For example, if someone says, "I'm a sucker for chocolate," it means they simply can't say no to chocolate. It's their weakness. The phrase, sucker for, originates from the idea of being an easy target for tricksters or marketers, someone gullible or easily convinced to want something. A sucker, in English slang, is a person who is easy to cheat or take advantage of. However, when we say, sucker for, it doesn't always mean being taken advantage of. It's more about an irresistible pull towards something. To understand how to use sucker for properly, let's look at some examples. John is a sucker for romantic movies. He watches them all the time. I'm a sucker for a good sale. I can't walk past a store without checking it out. She's a sucker for compliments. So a few nice words will always cheer her up. You can use sucker for in informal situations when you want to express your fondness for something. It's not used in formal writing or speech, but it's perfect for casual conversations with friends or in informal writing, like blogs or personal essays. It's important to know when not to use sucker for. Avoid using it in serious or formal contexts. It's also not appropriate to use it when talking about serious addictions or problems. The phrase is light-hearted and should be used for harmless preferences or minor weaknesses. And that wraps up our look at the phrase, sucker for. I hope this video makes you a sucker for English idioms and expressions, as they are such a fun part of learning the language. Remember, understanding and using phrases like sucker for can really show off your language skills and help you sound like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!